Changing the phone number on your Robinhood account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the app. From there, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Settings menu, look for the Personal Information section. This is where you can manage your contact details, including your phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the option to edit your phone number. Enter a new phone number and confirm it by following any prompts or verification steps provided by the app. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to verify that your phone number has been successfully updated. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be changed on your Robinhood account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood support for assistance.